So I can make a statement, and can't nobody tell me shit unless you been related. I'm driving in a Maserati screaming fuck you payment, ain't nobody. Guys, don't y'all just love Coyote Mustangs, Coyote F150s? That literally just took me like 15-20 minutes to pull the fuel injectors out of this thing. Last time I was working on my dad's Fox body, it took us about 20 to 30 minutes to pull the whole plenum off and then pull the injectors out. This thing literally took me 10 to 15 minutes. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Today's video, we got a huge thing, man, and I'm really excited about it. As y'all can see, we have our old injectors right here, and they're coming out because we have some power coming in. So as y'all can see right here, man, the fuel injector clinic FIC, we got hooked up, man, with some injectors. And first things first, man, I want to send a huge shout out. To my boy Cody Queensberry over at Straight Line Solutions. Man, if you guys are buying parts from these big name, big brand dealers like Summit, Jegs, stop right now, man, and mess with my boy Cody, man, because he has the best prices, the fastest shipping, and he deals with all these brands. He got me hooked up on these FIC 1000s, and he is a part of the channel and he's here to stay. And he also offers a lot of things like, you know, a track support, adjustment on suspension. You know, he's been doing this drag racing thing a long time, so I'm glad I got him in my corner. I just want to say a little bit, you know, just a huge thank you to Cody, man, over at Straight Line Solutions. Let's check out these injectors and let's see what we got. As y'all can see, man, this quality is just already awesome. It comes in its own case, you know, for injectors. They shipped them awesome. They came fast. You know, shout out to my boy Cody. Best shipping on the planet. Boom, here we are, man. FIC 1000s. And let me just tell y'all, I never expected an injector to look this good straight out of the package, but you know, these things are gonna cost you, you know, a little bit of money. I paid almost $750 for these. They are $725 or so, or $750 depending on who you get them from. Cody Queensberry of Straight Line Solutions, man, he got y'all for the best price. I promise y'all that, guaranteed. But yeah, man, these FIC 1000s are going to let us flow, man, damn near 900 horsepower, you know, more than we're gonna throw at this truck. My goals are like 800 wheel on E85, and you know, these things will support E85 and our power goal. So we're not doing that right now, but this truck is getting some power, so I figured, you know, we might as well just upgrade now, buy once, cry once, and you know, this injector will be along for the ride. Another badass thing, man, about FIC, you know, not just their packaging, but right here, they do data match technology. Their injected data is pretty on point. My boy Phil is the one that, you know, recommended me getting these, and oh look, points for them. They sent me a huge FIC sticker, and yeah, plug and play tuning data for Ford. That's major. These guys do data matching for NHRA factory stock, I believe. But yeah, man, this company is big time, man, and it's always been a dream of mine to own these injectors. And FIC doesn't sponsor me or anything like that. I pay for these. I got them from my boy Cody Queensberry. I don't want to overshadow him with FIC. I just want to, you know, tell you guys that Cody is a good guy, awesome company. You know, he works with a lot of brands, So whatever y'all need, man, he can get it done. Even if he doesn't have that brand on his side, he will get the parts over that you need. So with that being said, man, let's get these injectors installed. I'm really excited to see, you know, these things on this fuel rail and see what they look like, because they look pretty beast mode, man. So let's check it out. Just check out this, man, the stock 2016 5-liter injector versus that big boy FIC 1000. Man, I cannot wait. I really cannot wait, you guys. Check it out, guys. Harbor Freight light zip tied up. You gotta do what you gotta do. As you guys can see, FICs are in. You can't really tell from the top except for the orange on it, but yeah. Really excited to see what these things can do. Alright guys, everything's in. Everything's tightened. Let's make sure there's no fuel leaks when we prime it. Alright guys, and like I was saying before, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to touch a little bit more on, you know, Cody and Straight Line Solutions. They are direct dealers from World Racing, On3 Performance, Viking Performance, Modular Head Shop, Holly, Forge Star, Vision, VMS, Boundary Gears, UPR, DSS, and many more. They also do tuning, so if you guys need a tune, you know, they could do remote tune. They're out in Utah, so if you guys are there, you know, I'm pretty sure Cody could, you know, tune you guys up in person. And Straight Line Solutions just cares about your goals, man. I know this economy is tough, and they will get you the right parts at the right time and the first time, you know, so that way you can save your money. You can still do your car stuff and enjoy life in this tough economy. So I definitely recommend Straight Line Solutions. Cody, we need your banner right here, man. Cover up these ugly ass holes in my wall. But yeah, man, I will have all of his website links down below in the description. A link to Fuel Injector Clinic and what injectors I got. These are the 1000Hs. I'm really excited, man. As you guys can see, I'm still in my work clothes. I got here at like 7 o'clock. The sun was already going down. I knocked this video out for you guys. Swapped the injectors real quick. I need to switch the plugs because Philip is actually coming down to tune it tomorrow. So, you know, it's gonna be a long night in the garage. We're gonna be swapping the plugs, and then next video you guys will see us straight tuning this thing for E85 and you know, turning it up a little bit. I'm really excited to see what this truck will do, especially with this new headroom on these injectors. He's bringing a BAP over, so yeah, we're gonna wire that in also, and we have a lot of stuff coming, guys. So if this doesn't get you stoked for the truck content, I hope you guys are stoked in the near future, because you know, I'm gonna start stacking that dough and just get ready for a supercharger for this thing, and it's gonna be set up, man. On these injectors, stock pump, BAP, I think we could push like 650 on the stock fuel system, so that will still be, you know, nuts. So thank you guys for watching. Drop a like for your boy down below, you know, for grinding and you know, doing this thing right off of work. It's pretty tough, man, but I do it for you guys, and I do it for the love of racing and, you know, all of that stuff. So I want to send a huge shout out again to my boy over at Straight Line Solutions, Cody Queensberry, man. Thank you for real, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being along for the ride and for the team. I hope to work with you, you know, for many years to come. And this is only the beginning, man. There's a lot more to come on all of these builds. So with that, I appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys on the next video. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. Peace out, man.
I am. Girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that